What's up, YouTube? It's Kenny again. Fighting with the sun a little bit this morning, so I apologize for the lighting. Let's talk about Lordstown Motors, all right? All right, so before we get started, pay close attention to this today. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a truck driver driving across the country, researching and trading stocks, and I will not be held responsible for any moves you make in the stock market. Not ever. I am not your mama. Do your own research, make your own decisions, and live with those decisions. Take responsibility for them, all right? If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave me a comment down below. Let's hear it. Let's hear it now. So, the article started again, all right? The Lordstown dropped on the close yesterday, and the fear is setting back in again. Nothing has changed, all right? Nothing has changed. I got to wake up this morning to comments, oh, I hope you got out in time, and oh, it's going to bankrupt, and Michael back on it with the, I'm telling you guys, nothing has changed, all right? That was a requirement that they file that brief with the SEC, and the analysts and everybody jumped on. They've already still been on it, releasing articles like Ford's a better buy than all this. Ford's a better buy? Like, Ford is massively in debt. Like, how much of a chance, is there more of a chance that Ford is going to double from here, or Lordstown's going to double from here? Come on, man, get real. Ford is not a better buy. You know what Ford is? It's a safer buy if you're going to hold it for 10 years, all right? That's what the analysts do. They're looking at 10-year time horizons and, trying to keep everybody super safe, and everything. That's not why I'm here, all right? I'm here to double my money and shit. And Lordstown is where the double up is going to happen, all right? It's come down some, yes. It dropped. It's still way above that $7 mark. And I'm going to tell you right now, all right, I got about $1,000 on hand, cash on hand in the Roth. And if fucking Lordstown drops down below 10, somewhere in the 9s, I'm probably going to buy another 100 shares this morning. Because, just imagine a big group of sheep with some sheepdogs surrounding it. Okay, I've seen videos of this where the sheepdogs, this one barks over here to move them this way and then lays down, and this one over here barks and moves forward to move them this way. That's what these fucking analysts are, man. We need some real talk about these fucking analysts and all these people writing these articles, all right? The real talk, all right? They are not on your team. The people writing all these articles, Barron's, just initiated coverage of Lordstown Motors at a price target of $5. $5? Come on, the plant is worth more than what the market cap is at $5, guys. These guys are trying to shake off the weak hands so they can get their positions filled at lower prices, and or they have short positions and have a vested interest in pushing the stock down. They are not on your team. They are the suits. They are on the team of the hedge funds. They are the hedge funds. All right? Come on, guys. You got to get real. Nothing has changed. They're still in the same position. Lordstown, yes, they need some money. All right? But they have multiple different ways to get that money. They're going to get the money. All right? They're either going to get the ATVM loan, which I think they're probably going to get. They're still in that process. Nothing's changed. Or they got plenty of places they could borrow money. Okay, they could borrow money. And if by some feat none of that comes through, they can do a share offering. All right? They're not in debt. They have zero debt. They're holding out because they don't want to do a share offering. But they have that option, and they can do a share offering and raise a bunch of money, all right? Like, they are going to get funded. And all of this stuff that these articles are just trying to push it down for multiple reasons. Either that, like I say, either they have a short position in the stock and they're trying to get out because I saw a thing the other day that said that, or it might have been yesterday, that said that they're saying that it's like 30% shorted with a 3.5 days to get out of it. So like this is like a last gasp to try to push it down, because they see what's happening, guys. You see what's happened. The stock more than doubled in like 2 weeks, okay? That doesn't happen because you and me bought some more Lordstown, okay? That happens because investors started getting in on these stocks. And they're trying to shake off people like me. They're trying to shake them off so that they can get out of their short positions, so they can get lower cost bases before it happens, because it's fixing to happen for Lordstown, all right? They're going to get funded in a week and a half. In a week and a half, this Lordstown week starts. They on their, I think it was their Twitter, their social media, they announced yesterday that they're going to be, or it might have been the day before, I think it was yesterday, they announced that they're going to be live streaming Lordstown week. So they're going to be live streaming rides in the truck and tours of the plant, stuff like that. And there's going to be investors and analysts and customers are all going to be able to come for a full week starting on the 21st to Lordstown Motors, test drive the vehicles, tour the plant, you know, see what the progress is. And I'm telling you guys, it's going to 20. It's going to 20 or higher, okay? And these guys are just trying to scare you off of the stock so that they can get their positions built at lower prices. These fucking analysts are not on your team. Real talk. Another thing about the analysts and how they cover stocks, not only do they look longer term than what somebody like me's looking, okay, but they also try to value these growth stocks in the same way that they value stocks like Ford and GM and shit like that. So you can't do that. Anybody, you know, watch Jeremy's videos, watch me, Kevin, when he talks about the stuff. You cannot compare apples to oranges. You cannot use all of these fundamental numbers that you would use to value a Ford or a Toyota. You cannot use those same metrics to value a growth stock, a startup company, okay? And out of all of the players in the EV field, out of all of these startups in the EV field that everybody's all excited about, Lordstown is the one that is about to make a truck. So you can only imagine why they're trying to push it down so hard, because they don't have time. It's about to happen. This is our last chance to get this number low so we can get in. It's not rocket science, all right? And I wish that more people could see, like, that the way to do this is to do your own research. I say it in every video. The way to do it is not to listen to what the analysts say. The way to do it is do your own research. Get an actual understanding of what is going on with that company, and then tune out all of the fucking noise. Tune out the ups and the downs and the volatility. You have to do your own research and decide for yourself what you think. Is this company going to make it or not? Don't follow me. Don't do what I'm doing. But I have done my research, and my research is telling me, and my gut is telling me, that Lordstown is about to be making trucks. And I'm telling you guys, when they get the funding, when news comes out about the funding, when they get a 5-star crash rating, and news comes out about the 5-star crash rating, when Lordstown week happens and all these investors and analysts go and look at the actual plant and see for themselves what's happening, the live stream happens and we can all see on the live stream what is actually happening. Okay, when all this stuff happens, all these people writing these articles and shit ain't gonna have no more ammo. All right, this is the last gasp, and I'm watching it. And this morning, if we get a big old overreaction this morning and it drops down to $9.50, $9, $8, I'm buying another 100 shares, guys. I'm gonna average down some more. If I can get it at $10, it'll bring me down below a $12 cost basis. I'd like to get even lower. I'm already 300 shares into it, and if it overcorrects, if it overreacts some more again this morning, it goes down, I'm buying another 100 shares. So talk your shit in the comments below. Michael, get ready to buy that dinner. I got 6 months still for it to hit 20. Get ready to buy that dinner, all right? Because I don't give a shit what Barron says, what CNBC says, and all these people. They are not on my team, and I've done my research, and I feel like I know what's coming. And so it is what it is. You make your decisions, and you take responsibility for those decisions, and I'll make my decisions, and I'll take responsibility for those decisions. If I lose on it, I lose on it. It ain't going to ruin my life, but I don't think I'm going to, all right? I got faith. Lordstown's going to do something. They're going to be making some trucks. And that stock's going to 20. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video. Leave me a comment below. Join the Patreon. It's in the description below. Join that Patreon. Support the channel. Help me build a retirement. Thanks for watching.